do.
You could be the coolest parent and then set up some Ring cameras in the basement.
Like 10.
Now we're cooking. You accidentally leave the mic on. You're like, yeah. Oh, caw.
Last episode, we had a debate as to who could go the longest without burping or farting, because Tom accused me of constantly farting, constantly burping, blah, blah, blah. And so we did a handshake deal. Whoever could go the longest through the episode without burping or farting is the champion, the winner.
Right.
Now, I lost. Apparently, I ripped a burp in the middle of...
Not apparently. You know you did.